Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing this Bosch 26-piece screwdriver bit and ratchet set. Now I saw this on sale on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description or profile page. So I thought I'll use this for work. Let me just open it up. Now the first thing that I was surprised is how small it is. It's around this wrench is around 10 centimeters. So it's smaller than my palm. I can feel a little bit of oil and stickiness just touching it a little bit, so maybe it was greased up. So let me try to attach the ratchet set to it. You do need this little adapter that connects the ratchet set head to the ratchet. So got this little knob at the top for turning it clockwise and anti-clockwise, so I can still feel the stickiness. You can also remove this and insert this extender for the screwdriver and the screw bits. So let me try the screw bits. Yep. So just gotta make sure. It's a little bit sometimes difficult to turn this little switch. So the switch makes it turn clockwise and anti-clockwise. You feel a little bit of an adjustment. You do need to maybe turn a little bit to change the switch. So there you go. Seems like it will be do a pretty good job. Now I do plan to use this with my tool bag, so it's not that big. It's pretty handy to use, and that's one of the reasons why we purchased this, so that it can be used very easily. Okay, just gonna go wash my hands as well. Hope this helped.